Hello guys, in this tutorial we will learn about subtasks in JIRA. So to get started, I'll open a story and then in the story you'll see a subtasks section wherein you can create subtasks. If you click on this plus icon, it will open an issue or subtask window wherein you can provide the details of the subtask and create the task, create subtask. The other option to create subtask is to go to more button at the top and click on create subtask. It will open the same window to create the subtask. Now, what exactly is subtask for a story or for the piece of work that you are doing? So subtask is smaller chunks of work that you perform as part of the story or you perform as part of any big task. For example, if you're a developer in the team and you are developing a story, that whole story might have 5 different components to develop, right? So you create a subtask for each of that component, develop that, and then you create a subtask to integrate all those components into one to deliver that piece of code into the testing environment. Then another subtask for you could be to package all all of the components or all the code that you have developed to deploy into the test environment, right? So these are all subtasks relevant to the development team. Then if you talk about the testing team, a subtask for the testing team for that particular story would be to do analysis and design, test analysis and design for that particular story. So they'll be developing the test cases for that particular story. Once they are done with that, then after the code is deployed into the test environment, they'll start the test execution. So they can create a subtask for test execution and track the progress. So the advantage of having these subtasks within the story is that you can track the progress of the overall story. First thing is you can track what's the amount of work within that story, and if it is too big then you need to divide it into two different stories so that it's small enough that can fit into the sprint, that is 2 to 4 week cycle. The other advantage is the tracking, so it gives you a flexibility to track what is the progress of a particular story. So depending on the subtask completion or the progress, you can actually see where the actual story sits at the moment or what is blocking at the moment. So if there is a particular subtask that is being blocked, then that can be actioned by the Scrum Master and resolved. So that is all the advantage and what exactly a subtask is within the JIRA software. In JIRA Core, a subtask is any smaller piece of work below the task, or for a big task, you can have multiple subtasks to deliver a particular piece of work in JIRA Core. So be it like marketing campaign or HR onboarding project, you can have task and subtask in JIRA Core as well. So that is all about subtasks in JIRA. In next tutorial, we'll learn about the bugs in JIRA software. Thank you.